Welcome guys to the course of website designing without coding. So this is basically the last lesson that we will be covering in this course. After going through this lesson, you will be able to develop your own website. So in the previous lessons, we have discussed about the fundamentals and the components of website that we required. And in this lesson, we will see a step-by-step tutorial how to develop your own website without any prior knowledge of coding or something. So this is basically an overview of the topics that we will be covering in this lesson, which is the last lesson of the course. Some techniques of websites, what is hard coding, what is without coding, what are the paid websites available, and what are the free websites that are available. And last, we will see the steps how to create your website for free. So, what are the techniques of website? Like, how can we develop any website? So, website can be normally developed by the two methods. First one is coding method, which means using the hard code or coding from scratch. This requires the skill knowledge of coding and the web languages. The next technique can be without coding, which means that all the information and all the coding and the simple tool or a platform will be provided to us in which we need to write only text or edit according to our requirement. So we will basically focus on this method and we will develop a website using this technique. So this is basically a brief description of the difference between a website developed using coding and developed using without coding. As you can see in the coding, we require a complete hard code and it can be customized as per our requirement, which means it is very flexible. As it requires the skills and knowledge because we need to write the code. It is a time taken process, it can be more animated and it follows the procedure to develop any website. Now let us see the features of without coding website. A template is given, which means everything is provided to us. We have a platform or tool where we only need to update any changes or text. Then the customization is limited. It means all the design is developed. We only can change or edit text or images changes. Next, it is a very fast process. It is responsive. It means it can be seen to every devices like Android, iOS or desktop. It requires no knowledge of any coding to develop. All the tools are given, we do not need to search anything. It is easy to build and it is very cheaper. So without wasting any more time, let me show you the steps how to create a free websites without knowing any coding. So first we will see the requirements. As you know, we have discussed already that to develop any website we require three components. So the first one is domain name, then the server hosting where the files can be stored, and the third are the content or the web pages. So the next question arises, where will all we get the components? Are these components free or not? There are several websites who provide all the components. You can purchase any of the components from any of the given websites like GoDaddy.com and BigRocks.com. But wait a minute. As you are a beginner and you do not want to spend more money on developing a website, you are trying for your own purpose. So the next question that arises, how to get this website free or where the process that will help you to make the components freely available. So as we saw in the previous slide, there are several websites who provide this component but take the charge per month or per year. It is the package they provided. But there are several other alternative websites as well who provide you all the three components for the free. These websites are Wix.com and carrd.co, which is cardi.co. So this website provide you all the three components. You do not need to manage or purchase anything. So using the carrd.co method, we will be creating our own website live without paid anything to them. So in this tutorial, we will be developing a portfolio website, which means we will be able to make our own website which shows our identity. So let us follow the step-by-step procedure to develop your own live website. So the first step is to make any website is open your browser and open this URL that is given in the description or in the PPT, which is https://crrd.co. We will be using this card.co website. When you will enter the URL in your browser, you will see a screen like this. Now the step 2 will be click on the choose starting point. As you can see a starting point, you will be clicking on that and you will get this screen. Now the step 3 is you need to choose the several templates. Like we have seen the several templates in the previous slide. You have to choose any template, but for the portfolio sake, we will use the profile template, and I have used this template which is name given as Alice at the back. Now you need to click on the select button after choosing your own template according to your requirement. Now when you click on the select, you will see the screen like this. It is basically our website which consists of our name, normal background image and the text. Now we need to customize this website according to our requirement in the next steps. So the step 5 will be click on this button that we have seen on Alice. When you double click on Alice, you will see in the right hand the editable options where you can write your own name. Like I have written my name as Jatin Gupta, so you can write your own name. Next step is click on the text which is given in the description and click on the edit according to your requirement. And you can edit your all the icons as well, where you can update your email ID or Twitter or any social media links. Now after updating all the information, you will see a small button at the right side which consists of name as publish. Now you need to click on this publish button at the end of the top left. When you click on the website or a publish button, you will see that at the right side you will ask for the several details like your Gmail ID, password and several things. You need to enter all the details. Like in my case, I have written a title as Jatin Gupta and description as according to my requirement. And in the URL section, choose use a car.co URL. Because we don't have our own URL, we will using the car.io URL. So after doing all the steps and filling all the details, you have to select or edit any domain name which will be a name of your website and it will be unique. Now when you click on the publish, you will see this notification which consists of check your mail. As we register anywhere, we have the confirmation or verification mail at our inbox. So after the previous step, you need to open your Gmail box and you will see a URL or a verify mail to verify your account. Now after clicking on this blue link, you will get a next notification as your website is approved, and you will see a next tab with this image. This consists of website and this is your dashboard sections. Now your website is live. We have done well all the processes, like we have changed our background image, we have write our name, we have edit our description. So this is basically a portfolio website that we have created, and we have the URL like this, which is like https://abcd.carrd.co. This ABCD is replaced by your name, and you will see your website URL at the top of this image. Now you can pass the unique URL to your friends and share your websites to everybody. And this website is free for all of us, and it can be developed easy without any require of any coding. So friends, in the whole lesson we have covered the techniques of website, hard coding and without coding, the difference between the techniques of website. Then we have discussed about the platform where we get the paid websites and the free websites. And at the end of this lesson, we have discussed the steps where we can see that a step-by-step tutorial how to make a free live website. And I promise you that at the end of tutorial you will be able to make your website and you can pass this URL to the friends. So I hope you like this video, and thank you guys. I hope you all will get your all live website and share to your friends. If you have any kind of doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will reply soon. Bye. Take care.